All right, kindergarten, for Fundations, we're going to review AKE word family that we did yesterday, and we're going to watch another AKE video about it, okay? So today we're going to be using our dry erase boards and dry erase markers. So if you need to pause the video, get your Fundations bag, get your dry erase board and your dry erase marker, you can, okay? And I'm going to be using this big board so you can see, all right? So make sure that you're doing all lowercase letters and make sure that you're writing in the lines. So make sure you see the sky line, plane line, grass line, and worm line. Okay, so we're doing only lowercase letters and we're trying to write in the lines as best we can, okay? All right, so all of these words are gonna have an A-K-E in them, an ache sound. Let's try to write the word take. Like, you can always pause the video and take your time writing. Take. Ta, ta. What makes a ta, ta sound? That's a T. So lowercase t goes from skyline to grass line, and then a line in the middle on the plane line. Ta, a. Ta, a. That's an A. Lowercase a goes from plane line to grass line. Looks like an O. And then a tail down to the grass line. Take, ka, ka. That's a K. Lowercase k goes from skyline to grass line. And this is the tricky part. It's like a sideways V from plane line to grass line. And then a lowercase e at the end, a silent E, because this spells tack, tack, but we need it to spell take, like take your time. So a silent E is from plane line to grass line. All right, so we have T-A-K-E. We know A-K-E makes an ache sound. We know T makes a ta sound. So ta-ache, take. Like, you can always pause the video and take your time. Okay, let's erase the T, but leave the A-K-E. We're going to erase the T, and we're going to put a new letter at the beginning of the word, and that'll change the word. Now, I want you to put a lowercase b at the beginning. B, b. Lowercase b is from skyline to grass line, and then curve over from plane line to grass line. So now instead of take with a T, now we have a B, bake, ache, bake, like bake a cake. Now this is bake. What if I wanted to spell cake? Ache. So let's erase this B. And now I want you to write the letter that you need to have at the beginning to spell cake. Ache. What letter makes a K sound? It's the letter C. C for cake. So lowercase c goes from skyline to grass line. Okay, so now we have C-A-K-E. Ache, ache, like to bake a cake. All right, erase that lowercase c, but keep your A-K-E. These are all going to be ache word family. Okay, now I want you to do a lowercase m at the beginning, a lowercase m. M has two humps, and it goes from plane line to grass line. So M makes a mm sound. So now we have ache, make, like to make something on your own, make. All right, erase that M. Now I want you to figure out what letter you need to write right here to spell the word lake. Like I went to a lake to find frogs and toads. Lake. What letter do you need at the beginning to spell the word lake? We already have the ache part, so we just need the l part. What letter makes a L sound? All right, did you write an L at the beginning? So now we have L-A-K-E. L, l, ache, lake. Like I went to a lake to find toads and frogs. All right, erase that L. Now, I want you to figure out what letter you need to write at the beginning right here if you want to spell the word wake, like to wake up in the morning. Wake, wake. We already have the ache. You just need to find out what letter goes here. What letter makes the w sound? Like wind, w. What letter makes a w sound? All right, did you do a W? Lowercase w goes from plain line to grass line. So we have W-A-K-E. Let's sound it out. Wake. Wake. Like wake up early. Okay, last one we're going to do. Erase the W. Now, I want you to do a lowercase f at the beginning. Lowercase f. You can look up here to see what a lowercase f looks like. It goes from skyline to grass line, and then a line in between on the plain line. Okay, so we have F-A-K-E. We know ache is A-K-E. We know this says ache. We know F makes a f sound, so try to put them together. Figure out what word you wrote. Ache. Ache. Fake. Fake. Like, it's not a real animal, it's a fake stuffed animal. Fake. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and erase all of our letters. So that was just a little review on AKE words. So tomorrow, we're going to learn a new silent E word family. We're going to learn A-M-E tomorrow, the AIM word family tomorrow. But for today, I have another AKE video you can watch just for review. So make sure that your dry erase board is all cleaned off. Make sure that your marker cap is back on, and you can put both in your Fundations bags and then Velcro your Fundations bags, and then you can watch the AKE video.